Today I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up form in Mailchimp step by step so you can start collecting leads, growing your email list, and turning website visitors into subscribers with almost no extra effort. Pop-up forms are one of the fastest ways to capture attention, and when they're set up properly, they can help you promote discounts, offers, newsletter signups, and announcements in a simple, professional way. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. First, go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Forms area in the left-hand menu or wherever your account layout places it. Mailchimp updates its interface from time to time, but the Forms section is where you'll manage sign-up forms and pop-up forms. Click on Forms to continue. Now you'll see the option to create a pop-up form. This is the feature you need if you want a small form to appear on your website and encourage visitors to join your list. Click on Create Pop-up Form. Mailchimp will open the pop-up form setup flow and ask you to choose the type of form you want to build. At this stage, select the type of form that matches your goal. For example, if you want to offer a special incentive, you might choose a discount form. If you're collecting newsletter signups, choose the option that best fits that purpose. Picking the right form type helps Mailchimp suggest the right structure and messaging for your pop-up. Next, give your form a clear name. This is just for your own organization inside Mailchimp, so use something that helps you recognize it later. You might name it by campaign, offer, or website page. A descriptive form name makes it much easier to manage multiple forms as your email list grows. After that, you'll see an option to assign tags to contacts. This is a very useful step because tags help you organize subscribers based on where they signed up or what interest they showed. If someone joins through this pop-up, you can tag them for future segmentation, follow-up emails, or targeted automation. Click on Assign Tags to Contacts and choose the tag you want to use. Once the setup details are ready, click Create Form. Mailchimp will now generate your pop-up form and take you into the form editor. This is where you customize the look, message, and behavior of the pop-up so it matches your brand and your goal. Inside the editor, begin editing the form accordingly. Update the headline so it clearly tells visitors what they're getting. Adjust the text so it's short, persuasive, and easy to understand. You can also refine the button text, add an incentive, and make sure the form feels relevant to your audience. If you're promoting a discount, make sure the value is obvious. If you're building a newsletter sign-up, make the benefit of joining clear. Take a moment to review the layout, colors, and form fields. The goal is to keep everything simple and easy to complete. The fewer distractions you have, the better your pop-up will usually perform. You want visitors to understand the offer quickly and take action without confusion. When you're happy with the design, click Save and Review. This step lets Mailchimp check your form before publishing it. It's a good idea to review everything carefully here because this is your chance to catch typos, fix alignment issues, and make sure the pop-up looks professional before it goes live. After reviewing, click Publish or Schedule. If you want the pop-up to go live right away, publish it immediately. If you want to launch it later, choose a schedule that matches your campaign timing. Once published, your pop-up form can start appearing on your website and collecting subscribers automatically. And that's it. You've now created a pop-up form in Mailchimp from start to finish. This is a simple but powerful way to grow your email list and turn traffic into leads. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.